Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. Hope you are all doing good. And today I am sharing a very interesting recipe with you which has an awesome and excellent taste. That is Kolkata style chicken chop recipe, which is a very famous dish of Kolkata. You can try this at home in a simple way and you will get the exact restaurant style taste. So let's start making it. Half kg of chicken breasts and leg pieces, little big pieces I have taken here to make this gravy. I have cleaned it nicely and washed it. Let's marinate it now. Let's add 3 tablespoonful thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a spoon of zira powder, half a spoon of garam masala powder, and some saffron. I have soaked in little milk. I'll add that too in the marination. As Add some salt as per the taste. Let's mix all the ingredients well with the help of hands and keep the chicken marinated for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. Let's keep this aside. Let's take 2 medium-sized onions, chop them roughly and add them into a mixer jar. Add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, that is khaskhas, to it. Add 10 to 12 cashew nuts and blend it into a smooth paste like this. These 3 ingredients also we are going to add in the chicken marination. Since it's 1.5 hour since we marinated our chicken, so let's add this ingredient and mix well. Coat the chicken well with all the ingredients and keep this marinated for half an hour more. Now altogether 2 hours are over since we marinated our chicken. Now let's take it out and start shallow frying it. Let's add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil to a non-sticky vessel. Let's take only the chicken pieces out of the marination to shallow fry it. Let's add one by one. The flame should be in low. Let's add around 4 to 5 pieces at a time and shallow fry it. Let's cover and fry the chicken for some time. Now, once they turn little brown, you have to turn it and cook it on the other side as well. We need not over fry it. Only 50 to 60% we have to fry the chicken. Once it's done, let's remove it from the oil. Let's take it out now and let's add the other pieces also and shallow fry in the similar way. Since we have added the cashews and poppy seeds, there is a possibility of sticking the masala to the pan. So we have to keep the flame always in low. And let's cover it again and shallow fry it. And always use a non-sticky kadai or non-sticky vessel when you shallow fry this chicken, to avoid the chicken to get stick to the pan. Now these pieces are also done. Let's remove them from the oil. Let's take another vessel in which we are going to make the curry. Let's add the same oil in which we fried our chicken. Add some more ghee, around 2 teaspoons. Allow the ghee to become hot, and let's add the remaining marination masala to the ghee. Let's roast the masala well in low flame until the ghee separates from the masala. Let's cover and roast it because the masala may come out of the pan when you roast it. So you have to roast it in low flame. Now let's add the shallow fried chicken pieces to the masala. You can see that how easy this recipe is, and you need not require too many ingredients to make this recipe, and the preparation process also is very simple and easy. Now let's roast the chicken pieces for 2 to 3 minutes in the same marination, and let's add around half a glass of water and keep the lid covered and cook it for around 20 more minutes. You can see that the oil and ghee has separated from the gravy. It's very well done now. At this point, let's add 2 to 3 drops of kevda water. Kevda water is available easily in all the supermarkets. Only 2 to 3 drops you have to add, not much. Otherwise, the whole taste of the gravy will change. And that's all. Our awesome, yummy Kolkata style chicken chop is ready to be served. You can enjoy this chicken chop with sheermal paratha, lachcha paratha or naan. Even with plain rice or pulao, it goes really awesome. It's a must-try recipe. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback with me. See you in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our recipes. Thank you so much for watching.